Hello friends. So in this video, I want to achieve three things. One, I want to create an IDE, right, that I can use to run my code, right, in AWS. So I'm going to be using Cloud9 for that. And then number two, I want to create a Git repository that is seated in AWS, right? So it's kind of similar to GitHub, where you can actually put your code. So I want to create a repository in AWS. And lastly, I'm going to clone that repository to my environment in Cloud9. So let's just get into it. So let me go to Cloud9. Cloud9. Then I'm going to click on create environment. So I'll just call project environment. And then I'll leave all the configuration the way they are. I'll click on create. So while that is creating, this is it. I'll go to code commit. So I want to create a private Git repository. So I'll click on. So this repository will be project infrastructure, right? It will take the code, it will store the code, right, for provisioning the infrastructures. So I'll put project infrastructure. So then I'll just click on project infrastructure, I'll click on create. So let me come to repositories. So it has been created now. So let me come back to Cloud9. And see. Okay, so this has been created. So let me open this, come back. So I'll click on open, right? Open IDE. So this is it. So now if you look at this now, right, you can run your commands here, right? You can run your commands here. So let me see, is Python 3 already pre-installed? Python 3. Okay, Python 3 is already there. So cool. So now let me come to code commits. So to clone, right, this project, I'll just copy this. I'll copy this, right? I'll copy this, and I'll just type git clone, and then you will see that it will appear here, right? So git clone, paste, allow. So cloning that. So it's going to clone that repo into, so you see that it has cloned it. So that's it. So it says warning, you appear to have cloned an empty repository. Yeah. So there's nothing inside that repository for now. So that's it. So and then we can switch directory cd into the project, into this repo, and switch. Yeah, and you see master, just like the way you see it when you're actually working on Git, you see the master, branch and the, maybe main branch. So that's just it. Yeah.